Tonight we're learning new and disturbing details about what attorneys say led to a Jefferson County man's death inside an Alabama prison.
Your reporter Josh Gauntt is on your side with a closer look at this lawsuit. Josh, after speaking with the family of the victim, or the family's attorney rather.
Yeah, that's right. Daniel Williams' family was initially told he overdosed in prison, but when they got to the hospital, they found their son had been severely beaten with apparent restraint marks on his wrists. All of this spelled out in a federal lawsuit. Now, we want to warn you, some of the details here are disturbing. On the day he was set to be released from prison after serving a year for assault and theft charges, Daniel Williams died after he was allegedly tied up, beaten, tortured, and sexually assaulted over the course of 2 to 3 days last year at Staten Prison in Elmore. That's all according to a newly filed federal wrongful death lawsuit. When his family saw him in the hospital, they were in disbelief.
That's where they see the ligature marks on his wrists and on his ankles. They see that their son is just completely, his face is completely beaten in, he's bruised, he's so severely beaten that he has indentations in his head, and clearly not an overdose.
This week, Williams' family filed the lawsuit against 3 wardens as well as the commissioner of the Alabama Department of Corrections. 4 days before the alleged attack, Williams posted this on Facebook, asking people to pray for him, and said he was coming home drug-free. He also said it's been a crazy ride in 3 different prisons. It's almost over.
He was going to be coming out free and clear of drug use. That's huge, and you don't hear stories about that a lot. But unfortunately, his life was cut short because of the problems at ADOC.
The lawsuit also names an inmate who the family believes is responsible. Mendenhall says that inmate has a notorious history of violence, including reports of sexual assault in at least 5 Alabama prisons between 2017 and 2022.
He's been kept in lower and more minimal secured areas, and that has led to situations where that, compounded with overcrowding and understaffing, leads to this perfect storm that resulted in Daniel's death.